So you're cutting the pumpkin for Halloween?
Mm-hmm.
Huge pumpkin, isn't it?
Yeah.
I think it's done.
You have to pop it out. That's right.
Stand back.
There we go.
Pop it.
There we go.
Yeah. Oh.
Oh, good. There's not Chino stuff inside. Okay, now we'll take this over.
Pumpkin pie.
Yep, who's gonna make pumpkin pie tonight?
Pop, Daddy.
That's right. How do you like it?
Good.
Hi guys.
Good. Good.
Papa, you did an excellent job at that precision,
Yeah, you too.
precision cut work there.
Yeah, and it's awesome. How you do it too, Papa?
This part's kind of hard.
I can do it. It's easy.
No, this part's hard.
Happy Halloween.
Happy Halloween. Happy Halloween.
Tomorrow's Halloween, and actually,
Tomorrow is Halloween.
actually, if you look at this pumpkin, we all took part in this. The boys and I cleaned it out. We cleaned all the inside out. And then we punched out the holes. I helped Michael. Actually, Michael has been carving the rest of it. It looks very nice. Isn't that a beautiful pumpkin?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're going to light it up.
Nice, Papa. He has to light it up and
That's
put
right.
the top on.
That's
Can
right.
you see me, Papa?
Mm-hmm.
Joseph, turn that light off.
I'm going to go with the pumpkin.
Can I see, guys? Wow.
Yeah. This is a new pumpkin. Look at it. Look at it, the pumpkin. See,
God,
Daddy?
that looks great.
And this is the
Guys?
hot. And that where the
Move out of the
smoke,
way so we can see the pumpkin.
that where the smoke comes up from the little hole.
Joseph, move out of the way so we can see the pumpkin.
Okay, could you turn that light off now in the kitchen, Joseph?
And
Wow.
this is a fancy pumpkin. Fancy.
That is neat. Turn the light off again now. There we go. Wow.
See, Daddy?
That is cool. Joseph. Wow. Excellent pumpkin for tomorrow night.
Show the fireplace.
Michael's got a fire going.
Yeah. Yes, sweet.
Scary music.
And we're going to have happy music. We're going to have marshmallows.
Hey, here it is, Halloween night.
Yeah. And we are in the costumes.
That's
and
right.
have a flashlight.
You have your flashlight? Let's see. Show us the front of the house where you put the decorations.
Come on.
Can you give us a tour?
Yeah. I'm going to give you a hint.
We're just getting ready to go out, huh?
See? Over right here.
Wow.
See.
And ooh, there's a dog howling. There's the candy waiting for the kids. What's out here?
The lip. Lip.
Oh, wow.
Oh.
Here comes the kids, guys. Joseph, you gonna give them some candy?
How many do you want us to get?
One.
One? Say, smell my feet.
Justin,
Smell my feet.
don't you say that.
Okay.
Okay, that was giving out candy. That was nice. Go ahead, shut the door, guys.
Okay. Good job. Then what's this thing?